Which of the following statements is incorrect? This is 1 mark question in class 12 IP subject. First statement is import pandas as class 12. Import pandas as 1 PD, PD1 or PD. PD is the alias name. Class 12 is also the alias name. And alias name means you can use this alias name or synonym name in place of pandas. This is related to the concept of identifiers. What are identifiers? Identifiers are those words which are chosen by the users for the declaration of variables, objects or functions. And अगर आपको आइडेंटिफायर्स को नेम करना है देन आपको कुछ रूल्स फॉलो करने होंगे, जैसे कि वो लेटर्स और डिजिट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकते हैं, कीवर्ड नहीं हो सकते, they cannot start with a digit and they cannot contain space or special character. So according to the rules, one PD statement is class 12 is combination of letters and digits, so it is okay. But one PD is starting with digit, so this is incorrect, and we can check this in Python ideally, or we can use Jupyter Notebook. Here I will write import pandas as class 12, and then I will use it to create series class 12.series. I will use a tuple to create a series object, and I will print this series object, and I will run this. So here is the result. Series has been printed of data type int. Now I will use the statement import pandas as 1 PD, and I will run it, and it will give the syntax error that it is starting with digit 1. So this will give error, so this is incorrect.